Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025 on the 3D line. Got a gorgeous, let's see, KST. Looks like it might be an extra. Nonetheless, whatever it is, it's fantastic. It's 3D. So sit back, put your seatbelt on folks, because you're about to get your mind blown, and enjoy the fun. Folks, I apologize if any raindrops appear in the shot. It's starting to drizzle a little bit, but hopefully it won't be an issue. Gorgeous slow roll there, folks. Folks, the rain's picking up a little bit. We may wind up cutting the video short, but we're going to stay with it as long as we can. And once again, I do apologize for any raindrops on the lens. But here at Plain Fun RC, we're determined to give you the entertainment you deserve. Oh, look at that, folks. 3D butter right there. 3D butter. That is smooth and awesome as you're going to get, folks. Stunning flight, everybody. Stunning flight indeed. All right, friends. More to come.